In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change notification sounds for third-party apps on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings, and after that just tap right here at notifications. Now guys, if we scroll down a bit, here we'll find the list of all our applications, and the thing here is that notification settings are different for system apps and third-party apps. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Let's get into some system apps such as FaceTime. Here, as you can see, we got the option sounds, and if we tap right here, we'll be able to choose different notification sound for the selected application. However, guys, if we open up some third-party app, let's say that one, here we just have the ability to turn on or off sound notification for the particular application. However, in here we cannot set different notification sound for the selected application. That's why the only way to do so is use the app's inbuilt settings. Some applications have this option, some doesn't. I'm gonna show you how it looks like on a Facebook Messenger, for example. I know for sure we have that option here. If we open up Facebook Messenger, we can tap right here at three lines and then tap at that gear to head over to settings, and that's where we have this option, notifications and sounds. It may be called in different way on another application, but I recommend you to search for something like that, notifications and sounds. And then if we get into it, here we have this option, text tone, and now if we tap on it, we'll be able to choose one of 7 in that case notification sounds simply by tapping on them, just like that. In the same way, you may try to look for the option notifications and sounds in another application settings, because that's the only way how we can change notification sound for third-party app. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.